14 minutes so far. Is that cut under that eye?
Spinning heel kick.
Pearson with a body.
Oh, shit.
Oh
my God.
Goodness me!
Oh, wow.
I don't even know what to call that. Oh my goodness!
A capoeira rolling heel kick?
I've never seen a finish like that. Wow. Wow. Let's take a look at this replay.
It was like a front roll heel kick.
I mean, talk about taking that's a risky technique to pull off. Took the risk, paid off in spades.
Yeah, I mean, that was a absolutely just. I got to look at it again. Oh, wow.
It's unbelievable. Holy, wow.
So Pearson backs him up with that high kick, and then just this.
Just throws his whole body into it.
Heel kick to the head.
Well, I'm gonna guess that highlight's going viral.
Yeah, I'm thinking that nobody knew Gallon's name until just now.